Anyone can now sing any song in any voice, even if they have never heard the melody before. SoulX-Singer is an open source AI model that clones someone's voice and makes it sing whatever you want. In this video, we are going to install it locally and we are going to generate few songs to see how exactly it performs. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates without any hype. You see that we already have covered their podcast version, which was quite good, and I'm surprised that it didn't get too much traction in the community. Anyway, we are going to check out this SoulX-Singer. Not only we are going to test it, we are also going to check out its architecture. So let's get started. First up, let me play some of the audio which they have shared to see how exactly this is working. So on this demo page which they have shared, they have this English, Cantonese and Chinese Mandarin language, and these are the three languages it supports at the moment. Let me first play the grounded audio, the source truth.
Where the skies are blue to see you once again, my love.
And let me show you the prompt.
An empty street, an empty house, a hole inside my heart.
And we want to clone it. I'm just going to play this SoulX-Singer's melody based first.
Where the skies are blue to see you once again, my love.
And the score based, where you just import a MIDI file.
Where the skies are blue to see you once again, my love.
So you see, it has cloned that voice in a singing voice, and there are various other things which you can do with it. Like there is a lyrics editing. Again, let me play the reference audio.
月亮捧花的我盛装出席，只为错过你。
So this is a reference and prompt.
离别没说再见。
And let's see how it has done with score based with the MIDI file.
思念藏心的我悄然离席，只剩回。
You see, it's quite good in terms of quality of output. And then they have a lot of other examples where you can, go with timbre and style. There is also a long context which you can check out on their product page, and I will drop the link in video's description. There are a few other abilities which are still, I think, under play. Different, humming, or you could just go with speech prompt to singing, but that is still, I believe, under progress. And they have some showcases which I can't play here due to the copyrights, but try it out. It is quite, high quality. Okay, let's go back and we are just going to install it now. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. And if you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. So please do check them out. Our virtual environment is created. Let me now git clone the repo of SoulX-Singer. We can now install all the requirements and everything is installed. We can now launch our web demo with this webui.py. And the first time when you run this, it downloads some model for you. And now the demo is running on our local host at port 7860. Let me access it. There you go. So SoulX-Singer is now running. Comes in both Mandarin, Chinese and then English. I'm just going to go with English. The way this model works, as I was referring to earlier, is that you feed it two audio files. So there you go. So these are the two audio files which we need to feed. The first one would be a short clip of anyone speaking or singing, the voice you want to clone, and a recording of the target song with melody and lyrics is the second one. And then the AI extracts the voice characteristics from the first clip, maps them onto the melody and lyrics from the second, and generates a brand new singing performance. It works across three languages: Mandarin, Chinese, Cantonese, and English. And this was trained on over 42,000 hours of vocal data. It also supports both melodic input, actual audio recording, and MIDI based control, which is a musical score, as I mentioned earlier, and that gives you flexibility in how you create. So, now let me see if I could get hold of any voice. I won't be able to do full one because, of course, I can't use the real song here due to the copyrights issue. So that is why I have just loaded their example, which primarily even goes from Mandarin to English. If you check out their examples, you can go from Mandarin to Cantonese and Mandarin to music, and then you can just start singing synthesis. So this is a reference audio. I'm not even sure if it is a copyrighted music or not, but I'll just play a very little bit prompt audio. So this is the one, and I think it's the same one which I played earlier. And this is a target audio, which is actual song, which I'm not going to play because of the copyright issue, but you have got the idea. So let me click on singing transcription. It is going to do the transcription here. It is working, as you can see. While it runs, let me show you VRAM consumption. So it's not that hi-fi model, just I think you can see that still it is just over 5 gig of VRAM, and I don't even think it goes above that. Yeah, it is staying that. Now it has jumped. I will just let it run. Okay, now it is shooting up. And I will also check what is happening behind the scenes, still processing. It also takes into consideration a lot of other models too. I think it already has done it. So the model is fully loaded. There you go. And it has created this metadata. There is a melody. Once that step is done, you can just simply go with melody or go with score. So this is where you do the actual singing synthesis once this step is done. There you go. It has generated it. So let me just quickly play this generated song very quickly.
Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says?
So you see a simple voice, and they just converted it into a song as per melody. If you look at the architecture of the model, it is pretty straightforward but very effective. The model uses a singing content encoder that processes two main inputs: the lyrics with text and timing information, and the melodic cues. Either it could be a sheet music or pitch contours. These get fed into a conditional flow matching module, which is a core generative component that actually creates the singing voice. The flow matching approach allows the model to transform random noise into coherent singing by learning the probability distribution of vocal patterns from its massive training data set. What makes it zero shot is its ability to clone voices it has never seen during training. You don't really need to retrain the model for each new voice, you just provide a reference sample and it figures out the rest. So that's it. Another cool thing is that it is Apache 2. Have fun, but make sure that you use it responsibly. And if you think that someone is not using it properly, they also have some options to report it to them, to SoulX-Singer. But keep it research, keep it fun, and without breaking any legalities, because that is what this research is all about. Thank you again for all the support. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Thanks.